Hey guys, this is Kim and Fatima with Code Kids Rock On, and we are so excited. This is our 4th year of really pouring our hearts and souls into helping kids from all communities learn how to code and do STEM and learn about STEM. There's so much going on in the world of technology. We want to make sure that no one gets left behind. And so this summer we partnered with a few organizations, but today we're here at Clark Atlanta University with the Horizons program. So we're going to be doing a week-long session on all types of coding and STEM principles.
And one of the most important things that we found when we're doing these projects is to make sure kids really hone in on their problem-solving skills. And so it's not just about learning coding, but it's also how do you use the technology in order to solve the problems in your community and in the world.
So just come with us on this journey. There's more to come, but this week you're going to see everything STEM and code here at Horizons Camp at Clark Atlanta.
A little bit of everything.
Code Kids Rock.